पर्यटन बिलाचेर चर्चा करपाक 2 फावटी मीटिंग आपयली, पूण ती कांय जावंक ना. सद्याचे जे पर्यटन बिल आसा ते सारकें ना. आमचो ह्या पर्यटन बिलाक खर विरोध आसा. हे बिल आमी विधानसभेन हाडपाक दिवचे नात अशें आमदार वेन्झी वेगसान सांगले. तशेंच दक्षिण गोंयांत जावपी सनबर्नाक पुराय विरोध आसा अशें ताचें म्हणणें.
क्या कहना चाहते हो? कित सांगो सोदी तू 2%चेर हां खोके पे खोका येते आज हे बंद करपाक आसा. You have to stop this. We have given you suggestions, we have given you recommendations, and we have given you objections. I have given it as the MLA of Benaulim. Today we are here as a party. We oppose these things. We strongly oppose. We have also mentioned that this bill not to be introduced. BAC meeting हे discussion जाल्ले की हे bill थिंग BAC meeting mention केलो ना आणि तेन्ना आमी already at the BAC meeting we have stressed this out. आमदारांनी स्ट्रेस केल्लें की जेन्ना जरी तरी हे भाशेन BAC मिटिंगा हे बिल बरयलो ना की घातले म्हूण जाल्यार भूमिपुत्रा बिल जे भाशेन हाडलें चापकोन हाडचें आनी पास करे म्हूण सगळे उबे रावतले. This will not be allowed anymore. We strongly oppose. This bill should not be introduced. This bill should go back. Let the people of Goa, let all the stakeholders come back, discuss. पण ये असेंब्ली सेशना ये बिल हाडपाक आम केशे दिवपा नाय. We will make sure that this bill is not introduced and we will go all out to oppose this bill that it is not being introduced in this assembly session which is starting on Monday.